Hi everyone, I'm Siok from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to change your birthday on Instagram. Keeping your birthday updated helps Instagram provide you with age-appropriate content and features. So, let's get started on how to change your birthday on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, tap on the hamburger icon from the top right corner of your screen. From the menu, tap on the option that says Account Center. You will find it right at the top of the list. Once inside the Account Center, you will see a section called Personal Details. Tap on it to continue. Now, tap on the birthday option. Next, tap on the edit button right next to your current birthday. A date adjust slider will now appear on your screen. Use the slider to adjust your birthday to the correct date. Once you have set it, tap on the Save button. Finally, tap on the Confirm button to save the changes. And this is how you can change your birthday on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.